Meet your major. Interior design. From floor plans to fabrics, every room has a story behind it. Do you question what makes a physical space function or how it could be improved? Interior design might be the major for you. As a student in our CIDA accredited program, you'll be able to answer those questions by becoming a creative, socially responsible interior designer. You'll develop design skills that emphasize imagination while taking into account the needs of your future clients. Natalie Schechter, interior design alum, says, "I've known I wanted to be a designer ever since I was a little kid. Drawing floor plans and perspectives, I always believed that I would one day have my very own business. I couldn't have asked for a better school. Moore College of Art and Design was made for me." Moore's interior design major will help you think critically, analytically, and conceptually. You'll solve spatial problems and get a technical knowledge base, preparing you for a successful career in the industry. Kathy Detier, interior design faculty, says, "We take an empty space and figure out how it will be laid out. We think about the needs of the people who will be using the space. We select the fun things, furniture, fabrics, color, and lighting." Moore will offer you a fusion of the applied design arts and fine arts. It's a unique education where you have exposure to both. Interior design students get to take classes like Materials and Construction, Linear Perspective for Interiors, Historic Preservation, and Interior Building Systems. You'll participate in tours, lectures, and field studies of Philadelphia's historic and contemporary interiors. And you'll have access to our materials library, stocked with all the samples and references you'll need to bring your projects to life. Plus, every student gets a $1,000 paid internship between their junior and senior years, an opportunity that could turn into the first big step of your career. After graduation, your talent and skills will be in high demand. Interior design alum have gone on to lend their creative talents and skills to a wide range of businesses and corporations. Kia Weatherspoon, accomplished interior designer, Moore alum, and board member, says, "I had never been in a more inclusive environment. I was a non-traditional student coming from the military, and I never saw myself as an artist. Moore fostered this experience of discovering self through the arts, exactly where I was in my life." Ready to meet your major and learn more about interior design at Moore? Visit moore.edu/ID or contact our admissions office today.